Hey there, Heather Boyd-Wire here, and today I am here with my friend,
Your friend now.
Claudia, and we're doing a collab. Claudia has a really awesome YouTube channel all about how to navigate when you are blind and giving all kinds of cool motivational talks and everything. It's awesome. So today we're going to do a challenge, but first, before we start the challenge, I'm going to give Claudia a few...
Oh, you have a challenge for me?
I have a challenge for you. So I'm going to give you a few, you told me you watched my YouTube video yesterday, and I know you probably remember what I was doing in there, but if you would like to just feel these and tell me what these shapes are, that would be awesome.
That is... Star?
Yes! 1 out of 5. There we go. So this one?
That's a heart.
Yes, that's an easy one. And
That's probably
this one?
Oh no, that's not good. It's a weird shaped dog. No, that's...
It's a little tricky because it has a little knob at the end that you put the earring hook in.
Oh, that's a J. No. Well, it could be a J.
It's a companion to the star.
Oh, the moon!
Yes, exactly.
That's a moon.
That's a moon with a little loop at the top. And then this one
is a flower.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
and
a nice
Claudia made a flower in the video that will be on her channel, so we'll link it up below. And then this last one, I don't know if you remember that one from when I did my live stream last night.
No, I don't remember this one. And this is, it's a loopy, wait.
Yeah.
And then, I don't know, it's a circle-y thing.
Not everybody knows this. It's the women's symbol. So it's like a circle with a little cross at the bottom.
Well then.
So whatever. Anyway, so let's get going with our challenge. Did you
right.
decide what you want to make?
No, but I'll go. Don't worry. I'll
Okay,
figure
so
something out.
I'm going to take my glasses off.
Yeah.
Already I can't see much, but I'll put the blindfold on.
Because on my channel, you should know, I launched a challenge so that anyone that wanted to do a collab with me had to be blindfolded. So now Heather is blindfolded. Are you?
I'm totally blindfolded.
Okay, no
and
cheating.
Now I'm going to try to make a little stick figure. So I have a somewhat advantage is that I've made a lot of these in my lifetime, these little figures. So I'm just going by memory more than anything. And I'm also trying to use the tools, which is a little tricky.
You shouldn't be using that when you're blindfolded.
Yeah, maybe I shouldn't be using tools.
No
when I'm
tools when you're
blindfolded,
blindfolded. No.
I've already started, so we're gonna see. But it's very tricky to get the proportions.
Actually, I'm so happy you introduced me to this. I had no idea about.
It's so wild. So you never made anything out of wire or jewelry or anything like that?
No, I've used paper clips.
Okay,
That's as wiry as I go.
Yeah.
Hold on.
That's cool. So you decided what you're making?
Yeah, and I'm trying not to make it seem as cripply as my flower.
I'm trying to make a little girl, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna do with the proportions. We'll see. But I really like this exercise, and I definitely am going to do more at home. Just to try it. I think it's always good to work with different parts of your brain.
Well, on my channel, you made a bicycle, and if you're as good as making a lady as a bicycle blindfolded, I mean, I still think you cheated, but... Yeah.
I did not. I have witnesses.
Is it true witnesses?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, guys.
And here we go. This is super tricky.
I just can't tie it at the bottom.
Okay.
Wait. No. I can't tell you because you're going to have to feel it.
I'm going to guess?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that idea.
Which is pretty easy, but...
Yeah, I like that idea. I just hope I don't run out of wire. That's sometimes the problem is...
When you
even
start doing something?
Even when I'm not blindfolded, it's running out of wire. So I always tend to cut the wire a little bit too long, just to be sure.
You know what? It's fun now that I'm playing with the wire because I do watch your channel a lot, and
cool.
Yeah, and it's really funny to get hands on because I find, and I've told you this from the beginning, I find your channel very descriptive.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and there's some other channels too, but I don't like the channel. I skip the ones. Sorry about that, guys, but I skip the ones that just have music.
Yeah.
It means nothing to me. So.
Well, I've actually had people tell me that they they like the sound of my voice in the videos, and I have one friend that told me that she listens to my videos before she goes to bed at night because it helps her sleep.
That's not a good thing.
So I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but apparently I should start hashtagging my videos ASMR because that's a very popular thing right now.
No, you don't put me to sleep either, so at least that's a good thing.
That's a good thing. So I'm just coming up on the end of this, and I hope it's gonna work. It feels okay, but the proof will be in the pudding when I'm done. So now
This is
I just
gonna be
have
one big earring if someone wants to wear it.
Let's see. So I've got that wire needs to be cut. This wire. Let's see if I can find my. See if I can distinguish my pliers. Oh, those ones I know are my red ones because they're one of my favorite pliers, the round. And I just hope I don't cut the wire somewhere where it doesn't need to be cut.
So would you think you would like? I mean, also I live a lot with no vision, so I do everything with no vision.
Well,
do you think you'd be able to do this for like a day with your routine?
Full day?
Yeah.
Not with my routine. And especially since I'm pretty addicted to social media and going online, I mean, I would just have to take a full break from that.
Well, you know what? Maybe I'll show you how to, because I mean,
Yeah.
we talk a lot on Messenger.
True.
So maybe I can show you how to use voiceover. I mean, it'll drive you a
Yeah.
little crazy at the beginning because it talks really fast, but
Yeah.
you can figure it out. I'm
Well,
sure.
I'm all about learning new things and discovering how people live, so
So then
yeah.
that should be a upcoming
Great.
video.
There you go. I think just by feel, this doesn't feel too bad. What do you guys think?
Okay.
Ooh,
Guys,
tell what
this
it
one-
is. So
This is
Claudia,
probably better. Okay,
let's trade.
switch.
Let's do a tradesy. Oh, where's the one you
Oh,
have?
it's on here right
Oh,
here.
it's on the table?
Yeah.
Okay.
What? What?
Wait.
No way.
Let's see what this. Okay, let me just see what this is.
No, come on. You can.
And you even tied it together?
Yeah, I did. I did the loopy thing that you talked about.
Oh wow.
She's even wearing a little dress. Oh, she's so cute.
This is so cool.
Guys, look, she's wearing a dress.
But I'm just trying to figure out, is it a different shape than the flower?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let me wait.
Can I tell you?
No, wait. 1, 2, 3. There's 5.
Is that how
lines.
bad
Is
it
it a star?
It's a star.
Yoo! There we go. Oh, it's
So-
beautiful.
Can you tell that I failed art?
No, it's awesome. High five again.
High five, yay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. So that's fantastic. So guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry videos. Check out Claudia's channel for all her awesome content.
No art on my channel, guys.
I like your new one about how to put on mascara. That was
Oh,
really
that was
cool.
yeah, that's a
that
good
was
one.
really awesome.
Yeah. New lady. This is what Heather does.
And the star.
Oh no, don't show the star.
I
Okay,
love
bye
the star.
guys.
Bye guys.